Today we're going back to basics and doing gel polish application, so do all your normal prep and cut down your cuticles, buff down your nail and then use your primer of choice if you're doing this on natural nails. I'm just buffing down this false nail just to show you how we should apply it. Once that's dusted off, take your base coat and you're going to go up to the cuticle in the middle. Don't go right up there, just make sure you get close enough without flooding it, and then pull it down at either side, making sure it's even at the top. Once that's cured for 30 to 60 seconds, we're going to do the same thing with our colour of choice. So today it's Winter Sea. So right up to the top in the middle, and then we're going to go to the sides and pull it down there as well. So push it up towards the cuticle and pull it down. Simple as that. On both sides there, make sure it's nice and even. You want to do nice thin coats as well. This colour is really well pigmented, so as you can see here, we've gone in with the second coat, but it covered really well on that first coat as well. And again, just a nice thin layer. Cure that for 30 to 60 seconds, and then we're taking our top coat and applying that in exactly the same way. Nice thin layers, push it up towards the cuticle and drag it down. Make sure you get towards the sides as close as you can without getting it on the skin. And we're going to do the same on the other side as well. Once that's cured for 30 to 60 seconds, we're taking our cuticle oil of choice and just dabbing a little bit above the nail there, and we're going to rub that into the cuticle area. This will just hydrate around the nail and make the manicure last longer and just look more pristine and slick as well. Creating a gel manicure with Naio Nails products is so easy because the products are really high quality and simple to use. Head on over to our website now to start your collection.